And here's the snow we got. This, ooh. Christopher's out there shoveling. Me and him have been taking turns. Mom says, get out there and show how deep it is. It's up to Christopher's waist. And I went to walk out there and I was like, wait, it's still a little... But the temperature's gone down. This was supposed to be 3 to 6 inches. Yeah.
They're saying 14.
And the wind is, well, at least it knocked all the snow off the trees.
Yeah.
And there's Mom's car not going anywhere today.